We shape our buildings. Thereafter, they shape us. Winston Churchill. The built fabric of India, dotted with symbols of our heritage. Symbols of an India that was. The shape of our past, outlining our present. A time to explore new horizons. A need to carve the shape of the future. In 2005, the birth of a brand. Driven by imagination, coupled with innovation. Driven to enable the builders of our nation to scale new heights, span new distances, sculpt new skylines.
Arka wouldn't have been possible without the collaboration between, Tata Structura, Oval Trust, and of course the architectural and engineering team. So I want to congratulate all of them. It was a collaborative effort, it was a joint effort, and just the fact that Tata Structura had this amazing kind of support mechanism to help us and to empower us as designers, it was possible. So we've enjoyed working with Tata Structura, and it has been a very fruitful collaboration. It is one of the most coveted examples and prototypes of successful public space, public art project. And I hope this can be a replicable model. It can be a scalable model across this country.
I am Vilas Wadekar, working as Chief Project Manager in Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation Limited. We are happy with the adoption of tubular sections for the roofing systems, and in fact we want to extend it for other structural constructions to replace the normal structural steel, keeping in view the better corrosion resistance of the tubular sections, lightweight sections, better possible aesthetics treatment to all the constructions.
Tracing the journey of a brand, committed to the future. A decade of translating thought leadership into far-sighted action, shaping a glorious India, one structure at a time.
It reminds me of one of the early projects, that is Infosys, which made a sensation all over the country and showed one of the highest structural strength to weight ratio for a given span. And structural products are really efficient for such kind of efficient structures, lightweight and strong structures, and applications are growing day by day. And Personally, I am very happy with those structural sections which have a very good torsional stiffness. With all this 10 years of time passed so quickly, I wish Tata Structura hundreds of years further for further improvement and evolution, and I am sure they will fly further with their developments and superior product every time. Good luck.
The reason we have found use of Tata Structura as preferable is number one, it gives an advantage in terms of quantity of materials. The material usage is less with more material on the surface, and therefore it gives better structural efficiency.
Laying foundations for the future. Exploring new horizons. Creating sanctuaries for health and well-being. Bridging vast distances.
We have been working on the large infrastructure projects on airports like Chennai Airport, Goa Airport, Vadodara Airport, Raipur Airport, and have extensively used Structura Tata Steel grade 310 in the last span structures. We have seen that Tata product in the last span has been very versatile, and we have been able to create the innovative shapes and structures like a bird flying, or the very aerodynamic shapes with a very large span, and that we have been able to do in Chennai, where we have largest cantilever of 25 meters in any of the airport building, which has actually given a new dimension in the Indian development, or particularly into infrastructure sector.
When we started a business, we started with structural designing, and specifically for RCC designing we were suggesting Tata reinforcement steel, and for structural design we used to use the Tata structural steel sections. Initially it was the basically long span roof coverings or long span open web structures or trusses and everything. We used to use structural steel predominantly. We have done a lot of distilleries and where we are using a structural steel columns, beams and everything.
Providing platforms for excellence. Envisioning a symbol of contemporary India.
Over the years, I have seen the brand growing. It is being used right from the airport to the flare stack in refineries. And yesterday I saw even the roadside hoardings, these are being used.
We had 100-meter clear span and 27-meter cantilever out in Calcutta Airport. Similarly in Chandigarh Airport also the very last spans. So many airports now we are able to handle with these square hollow sections, rectangular sections, which have been very effective from engineering point of view.
Unwavering sensitivity to context, to environment.
Tata Structura had great endeavor in enriching their inventory. They had come up with larger varieties of sections, sizes and thickness. 2012-13, when engineering of Tata Steel KPO again Tata Structura came up with for the larger varieties of section, 250 or 300 hollow section with higher thickness. We have started our design of conveyor galleries and we are successfully designed up to 42 meter span gallery purpose.
Congratulations Tata Structura for 10 years. The experience is quite delightful because now we're not responsible to the marketplace. We're not dependent on them, we're not dependent on short supplies, spurious materials, irregular sort of productions, stuff like that. It's a Tata brand, it's a good brand, it's a brand that gives us the confidence to be specifying it.
Always pushing the limits of building construction.
All the sections which has been produced by Tata, we do not require an extensive quality checking or quality testing or laboratory testing for chemical analysis, and we had also seen randomly selected none of the sample till this date has been failed under any circumstances. So the more reason we had been inclined to use these sections extensively in number of projects.
It's been more than around 2 years since we came in contact with Tata Structura. The performance we found out with the Tata Structura has been very, very positive. The expectations we had, they have come beyond that, and especially the hollow structures which we have constructed, the performance has also been found very, very up to the standard. And the best part about the Tata Structura is that we have been able to get the complete solutions, whether it is designing part as well as the erections, and they have been able to give us the complete solution what was required from them.
Celebrating a decade of building India.
Narinder Makhija, recently retired as General Manager Engineering Civil from Airports Authority of India. I had the privilege of making use of Tata Structura in the terminal buildings of 2 international airports, made the best use of the material to meet the profile requirements of the terminal building, which necessitated the provision of glazing for a green building.
Celebrating the promise of the future. Shape of things to come.